How's it going, guys? I just picked up a Leupold Picatinny rail and just wanted to do a quick, well, I guess unboxing, even though it's not really a box. And you can pretty much see everything on the back. But anyway, so this was the Remington 700 long action version. It does not have a cant. Normally you can get it either flat or with a 20 MOA cant on it. I opted to get the flat. The reason I did that is because I'm going to be mounting a ring mount to this, and it has a 20 MOA on it. So if later on down the road I decide I'm going to go for longer shots, excuse me, I can always get another one of these. This was probably about around $40, so pretty good all around. Alright, so here we have the Picatinny rail itself. It's got the screw holes so it can span the top of the action, or the bolt. And we have Torx wrench and 4 screws, which is perfect because there's 4 holes. So, alright. Well, that was the Remington 700 long action, no cant or 0 MOA Picatinny rail from Leupold. Again, you can get it for about $40. Make sure you mention your military or law enforcement affiliation, and they can hook you up with a nice discount. Alright, have a good day, guys.